Vlogs, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Asset FX. Today I'm gonna be making a video about how to use MetaTrader 5, the latest version of MetaTrader. Let's just go straight to the Play Store to download the platform. We go to the search option, then we type MetaTrader 5, and then we search, and then we install the app. While we're waiting patiently, I'm gonna be making this video for novice or newbie, as well as advanced traders. You stay tuned there. I'm gonna guide you step by step from the beginning until to the last step. So it's gonna finish now, and then I'm gonna guide you in details. Don't forget to like and subscribe, so that when I make more videos, you're gonna see them. You're gonna see them when I post them. Okay, it's done. Let's go straight inside the platform. There we go. It says decline or agree. As we accept, and then it says open a demo account, and then you open a demo account, and then you're gonna fill in these options in order to create a demo, so that you're gonna have paper money to be able to build your confidence and your strategies. So let me put my name. I'm Asset FX. Let me just put my name, and then it needs my date of birth. Let me just put any date of birth. It's fine, because I just wanna give you guys ways on how to use this MetaTrader 5. You came to the right place. Let me put my country code, which is 2766 is my number, and then we're done for this, and then my email address, and then put my email, and then we're moving to the next section, account information. So where it says server, it's where you're gonna be putting your broker. If you have like a real account, if you're linking your real account with the MetaTrader 5, your broker with the account, I mean. And then we're gonna leave it like that as MetaQuotes demo, because we're gonna be using demo. And account type forex is USD. So our base currency is gonna be USD, which means our money is gonna be in dollars. Send average, let's just put 1.500, 1:500, which gonna give us more privilege to open more positions. And then deposit, let's just put small account, 3k, 30,000 USD. And then last section we accept, and then we register. Then we're done. So to cut a long story short, guys, I'm gonna be guiding you on how to use this MetaTrader 5. I'm making this video for you to understand how to use this MetaTrader 5. So we're gonna start from this point quotes, I mean. And then secondly, we're gonna go to chat, and then thirdly, we're gonna go to trade. Fourthly, we're gonna go to history, and then fifth, we're gonna go to messages. So let's just go straight to quotes, and then I will explain everything. You click, and then it's gonna show you like this. This is your currencies. These on your left side of your phone, it's currencies. We call them currencies. It's currencies. And then here we have exchange rates. You can call them exchange rates or prices. I will explain more. You will understand more when I get into details. It will sink in your mind, I'm telling you, if you pay attention. So currencies are traded in pairs. So they combine each country currency with another country Just like here we have Euro USD, which they combine Euro against what? USD. So that Euro, it's a base. It's a base. Euro, it's a base, and USD, it's a quote. Is the quote. Euro, base, USD, quote. Euro, base, USD, quote. That's what I'm saying. And then here we have exchange rate. You can also find the spreads inside. That's where brokers are making money from. Ne? And then pips are calculated here in the spreads, or you can call it the price. That's the place where you get pips. So here we have like how many pips? We have 1 pip at this point, because 2 minus 1, we left with 1, so it's 1 pip. So we count in 4 decimal place, e.g. 1.05018. we don't count that 8. That 8 is PPT. And then when we come to this one, we have 1.05022. we don't count that last 2. It's a PPT. We only use 4 decimal place, so we're gonna use 1.0501, and then we done. We don't count that 6, and then we come here 1.0502. we don't count that 0. So that's where we're gonna be getting our pips. Then we calculate those last numbers from 0501. That last number 4 number, it's our pip. That's how you get pips. I will make more videos on how to calculate pips, if you also prefer to learn about pips, because I'm here for you guys. I don't want you to be misled. Lastly but not least, so this 1.0501 here, it's euro. It's this euro here. And then this 1.05024, it's USD. You can call this one this euro a bit, and then this USD a ask, just like that. Or spreads are calculated based on the bid and the ask. So without waste of time, let me show you other things. So when you wanna delete some currencies, you will press the pencil on the corner, and then you press that bin button, and then you select which one do you want to delete. So we're gonna be deleting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna be left with GBP USD and Euro USD. Then you press the bin. You're done deleting. So if you wanna add, I will show you how to add. Let's just go back and show you that you left with GBP USD, Euro USD on your quotes. You see, we left with these two currencies, GBP USD, Euro USD. Those are the currencies that we are left with. So if you feel like you want to trade another currencies, you're just gonna press that plus button here, and then you press. You're gonna show you different kinds of instruments for forex, metals, indexes, Nasdaq or stock, Nasdaq or ETF. So if you feel like it's gonna consume time, if you know instruments or currencies by the head or mind, just gonna find symbols, and then you click, you type the instrument that you're looking for. So at this point we're gonna be searching for gold, XAUUSD. This is a gold, and then you click it. It's gonna disappear from here back to Codis. You're gonna find it there. Go back. You see, here's our gold. Then we're done with that option. So I'm gonna show you, if you click any currency and then you hold, it's gonna show you these 6 options down below, and then I'm only gonna show you the ones that are very important for you to understand, so that you are able to utilize this app. So this is how we're gonna start from new order. The first one, if you want to open a position or if you want to enter a trade, you're gonna press that new order, and then you are able to set your stop loss using this option. You are able to set this option to set your take profit, and then here these are your lot sizes. And then we have instant execution. These are your orders, different kinds of orders, if you want to set them without even getting to the market immediately. So we have instant execution, buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop, buy stop limit, sell stop limit. So if I can explain, instant execution is when you just buy the market immediately, and then it will execute without even hesitating. Buy limit is when you buy the market below the current market. Let's take, if the market is selling, it's gonna touch that buy limit down below, and then the market's gonna buy. Sell limit is when you sell above the current market. If the market is buying, it's gonna sell when it reaches the sell limit order. Buy stop, it buys immediately when the market reaches the buy stop. Sell stop, it sell immediately when the market reaches the sell stop. Buy stop limit, it can sell your order if you have any open position when it reaches this buy stop limit. Sell stop limit, it's gonna sell your market as well. Same as TP. TP is take profit, or yeah, you understand. So yeah, those are your orders. And then here we have this red and blue here. It's your spreads that are moving. So it's your spread where brokers are making money from. TP can move when you press this button. You can put where you prefer it. As you can see, the market, where is the market? Is there, it's moving. And then you can use even this one. Stop loss you can set using that option. So you can also do that. You got that option where new orders here. The third option, if you wanna change the view preference, you're gonna go to simple view mode. It's gonna change the currency and exchange rate view, just like this. You're gonna see it like this. If you prefer it to be how it was, you're just gonna press advanced view mode. It's gonna change. It's gonna go back where it was and how it was. Then last option, which is very important for you to know and able to utilize this MetaTrader 5, you're just gonna press chart. Now we're moving to the second option. We're coming from quotes, and now we're moving to what? Charts. Yeah, this is your charts. this is the chart. You can change your phone rotation to see the market on how you prefer. You can watch it like this. It's your choice. You can watch it like that. You see, you can change it to be like this. So let me explain the chart. I just want to show you how to use MetaTrader. I'll make more videos on how the deep of the forex inside. So these are the platform that we're using to execute our trades and monitor our trades. So this is chart. So what they say when they say market, what they mean this red and green that you see on the screen. We call this a market. This is a market here. It's a market. You can zoom out, you can zoom in, you can zoom out, you can zoom in based on how you wanna view the market. And then you can play along with your finger on your screen. So here on the right side of your screen, we have what you call price. Price is, they can use it to calculate pips as well, what I was teaching you on the quotes, to calculate pips. As I told you, we have spreads here. We have spreads. The red is it's an ask, and then the green is a bid. You can calculate. If you wanna know, I will make the videos for that. I just wanna show you how to use the app. And then this is the price or exchange rate. And then down below here we have time and date. Time and date. Time and date. Don't forget time and date. It's not a graph. The graph just like the one that you've learned in school about the histograph and bar graph and those things. Now it doesn't operate like that, but they are more or less the same. And then we're moving to the next lesson. So as you can see, the market is moving it's moving upper. It's moving upper, and we inside gold. Let's change euro. Okay, this one is gonna be much better for you to understand. So you click your screen, you're gonna see this circle. This circle helps you to get the options for getting the materials that you're gonna be using to operate the platform. So I'm gonna start by explaining that M1 until M1, M5 until MN. That MN is a month. That W1 is week. That D1 is day. H4 4 hour. H1 1 hour. M8 30 minutes. M15 15 minutes. M5 5 minutes. M1 1 minute. So we call them time frames. If you wanna view the market from maybe different perspective, you can play along by changing to time frames. Now we're in 4-hour time frame. Let's go to the 15 minutes time frame. It's gonna change, as you can see. Week, month, week. It's gonna change to week. You see? That's how you play with these time frames. And then let's just put it to a 15 minutes time frame. And then the second option here, I'm gonna show you those rectangulars, that synchronized rectangular. These ones is where if you wanna view windows, maybe having two windows or layouts on your screen, you just place you just press new window, and then it's gonna be like this. If you wanna rotate your screen, you rotate to watch the market better from different time frames, just like that. So here it's 1 hour time frame. Here it's 15 minutes time frame. You can see it on the left corner of your screen. And then here we have 1 hour time frame, but it's the same market. It's Euro USD, showing you different market. You'll understand if you subscribe and like the video, so that you're gonna get more videos that I'm gonna post. So let's go back how it was. I'll explain everything to you guys. Don't worry, I'm here for you. So if you wanna delete it, click the screen and hold the frame that you wanna delete, and you press that red. It's gonna cancel. Now back to 15 minutes time frame. We click the screen again to get the circle for options, and then now we're going to the object options. Object options is the option where you're gonna get material to analyze your market. So let's press that object. Then we have materials that we're gonna be using. If you press that plus, you add, as I told you, any object that you wanna use. So right now we're gonna take our trend line object, this one. And then when you come and click your screen, it's gonna show you that what you've chose. And then we click the screen, and then we move. As you can see, the market is going down. It's going down. Some they call it downtrend. That's what they call it. The market is going down. You can zoom out, zoom in, zoom out, zoom in, just like that. Zoom out, zoom in, and scroll using a price. And then that's how you use this MetaTrader 5. It's the latest version of MetaTrader, guys. And then you click the screen again, you go to the objects. If you want to add more, you add more. You add more. If you want to add more, you add more. If you want to put, just do what I told you. Just like that. That's how you use the indicators. If you want to delete, you can click your screen on the indicator that you have inputted on your screen, and then you click and hold. It's gonna show you the options on the corner, and then you delete. Click and hold, delete, just like that. You can also do the same on other objects, or you come and delete here on the pin, just like that. It's very simple. We go back now. Let me show you. Now we're going to those 3 lines that looks like equalizers. These ones. You click. So you're gonna get the first option there. Show us this option. It shows us the line types, or market types, if you want to view the market in different types. So if you click here, we have 3 options. We have 3 type of markets. We have bar chart. Let's go back. We have chose our bar chart. You can see the market is gonna be different when we go back. You see, it's different. How you have viewed it at the first place is different. You see, and then let's go and change it again. We go to line chart. You're gonna see only closing price. Line chart does that. You see, this is a line chart. It's a line chart. We're gonna go back to candlesticks because they are easy to read and most traders use it. it's a Japanese candlesticks, these ones. So each candlestick here represent the time frame that you're gonna be choosing to be in. And then here we have we're in 15 minutes time frame. Then each candlestick here represent 15 minutes time frame. The red it's when the market is selling. The green is when the market is buying. When the market is buying. And then that's how you read the market. I'm gonna make video based on that. And then now we're moving to crosshairs. This star that looks like a God sign, church sign. Yeah, this sign. You can play with it on the chart. So you can also use it to calculate pips. I'll show you how. And then you can also measure the bars with this crosshair. So if you want to measure from this point here to down here, you just click and hold your screen and move to the point where you wanna measure to. Just like that, it's gonna show you that the market has moved five bars and then 23 pips. We don't count the last number, it's PPT. 23 pips. So that's how you calculate your pips. That's how we calculate the pips using a crosshair. If you don't want to use your mentally calculations, you can also use your mental calculation by counting from this side using the low and the high. And then to remove it, you press here. Just like that. You can also get that option here. As you can see, it's up there. And then if you click again, you're gonna see that S that looks like $1. That's where you're gonna be getting your indicators here. Your indicators, let's choose moving average. So these are your indicators that you're gonna be using to time your entries and all type of things. Monitoring. Let's go to moving average and then change the period to maybe let's put 21 period. Yeah, we can put close on price. And then colors red is fine. Danger, good danger. And then we go to moving average. And then again, we're gonna it's possible that you're gonna use maybe two moving averages on your chart. So I'm gonna put two, the first one and the slow one. The slow one is that for 21 period, and this one is gonna be 8 period. And then we change the color to blue so that you are not confused. And then we're gonna change it to open. The first one is gonna be open, the slow one is gonna be closed. And then we say save. When you go back to your chart, you're gonna see the moving average. You see, this is your moving average, the red and the blue. If you can rotate your phone, you can see it clearly. On the year the market was buying. So moving average can also act as a support. And then the price open up here, and then it changed here. Now the market is selling. That red is above the market, which means it shows you and tell you that the market is selling. And then it open up here, and you can sell because you can see what the market is telling you. They're using it as a confluence traders to get timing of the market. You don't have to use so many indicators. Just by understanding, you can do this. So let's go back. As I told you,
tune in for 3 months free. Cancel anytime.
Don't forget what I'm teaching you. Don't forget what I'm teaching you. Don't forget what I'm teaching you. You can remove it if you want. How you remove it? Touch the screen again, go back to indicators, and then you press the bin button, and then you click, you select the ones that you want to delete, and then you delete. When you go back to the chart, you won't see the moving average is gone. So you will play along with those indicators to find the ones that you prefer. You see. So let's just put nothing right now. And then you can also use this option to get moving average. There are so many ways to get options in MetaTrader 5. And then you can also use that option to get indicators. See here, crosshair here. See, yeah. Time frames, you can also change them here. You see, let's put it to 30 minutes. You see, just like that. And then this option here, it shows you the orders that I was telling you about. Sell limit order, when you sell above the current market. When the market pushes back here, it's gonna sell. If it doesn't push back, it won't sell. That's what sell limit order does. Buy limit order, you can put it here. If the market reach this place, it's gonna buy limit order. Play with them and understand them. Sell stop. Market sell immediately when it reach this place. Sell stop limit. As I told you, if you're in a position, the market will just sell. Take you out actually. We have stop loss. Where you're willing to lose your money, you can put it, play with it on the chart. And then we have take profit, where you believe your target is gonna be taken, you're gonna put where you want to. I'll show you. It's very easy and straightforward. Don't confuse yourself. Just take your time to understand. And then we have instant execution on this side. You press here on the corner, you get instant execution. As you can see, the sell and the buy, we call them instant execution. You just want to boom straight without even going back on the codes and say new open position. You just sell immediately. If I can give you an example, let's take we're selling as the market is selling. We sell, you accept, and then we sell, we accept. That's where they're giving us the price. And then you can click your position there, and then you put your stop loss where you think you're gonna, okay, I'm willing, let's say on this position, I'm willing to lose $2.45, which is like it's $2. You see, I'm willing to lose that. My take profit, what I'm gonna take it here. I'm gonna take $3. That's how you use it. And then you press this arrow, and then you modify. Done. We're in a trade right now. And then if you wanna view your trade, you're gonna go back. You're gonna go to trade here. This option. This is where you're gonna see your trade running. That's how we use those options. So it works like that. So if we can go back to this option that looks like equalizers, again, we can play with it. If you want this option to be shown on your screen. You will click which one do you prefer to be on your screen. OHLC abbreviation is open higher low close. Open higher low close. Show data window is gonna be shown on your screen. Show volumes and trade positions, trade orders and trade history. From the point you've opened up your traders to the point you took your traders. Stop loss, take profit, what I was just showing you. Ask price line, line of the price, last price line, the recent price line, and the trade notification, one click panel button, and colors. This one I'm gonna show you if you don't want how you view your chart. I'm gonna change how you wanna view your market. Let's take your price green on black. You go back, you're gonna see the market changed. You're gonna see the market changed. Let's go back to colors. Black on white, green on black. You save, you go back, you see how the market looks right now. It has changed. Go back to colors, and then we want to change the foreground, the price and the time and date options. Let's say we put red. It's gonna be red. Let's go back. You see, it's red here. It's red. The time and the date and the price or exchange rate is red. Then we go back. We go back, baby. You will play with these options if you want to change colors. The green is the boxes lines on your chart. Bar up, and the bar up, it's like when you're buying, you want your candlestick to be green, it's gonna be green. Bar down, when you sell, you want your candlestick to be red, it's gonna be red. Bull, still when you buy, you want your candlestick to be green. Beer, you want your candlestick to be red. When you sell, it's gonna be red. So actually bull, meaning it's bullishing. It means the market is buying. Beer, it means the market is selling. Chart line, volume, bid price, as I was telling you about the bid and the ask, those are for spreads. Last price line, stop loss, and your where you willing to lose, stop loss line next, and text, take profit, where you willing to take your profit, etc. You're gonna play with this. You will understand. You choose, you go back to your chart and see, oh, it's like this, I prefer it like this. If you don't feel like you don't feel it, you change it to this point or this color, just like that. So let's take it back to how it was. Then yeah, that's how you use those options. So currently we're in profit for that trade that we took. As you've seen, the market is selling and we sold, and it's pushing down. Let's go back. You see, we're in profit. As you can see, I'll explain this option for trade when I get here. I'm not yet there. Let's go back to chart. And then you can also open position again. Going back to quotes, as I told you, you click and hold the screen. You say what? New order, and then we sell. Done. If you go back, you see it's sold. Sold. And then we're gonna go back. You can even sell by where? Here, or buy by here. So these numbers here, it's your lot size that determines how much you're gonna make or how much you're gonna be losing. It's either using standard lot size or using mini lot size or using what we call micro lot size, lastly nano lot size. I'll make a video for that. So these are your lot size. You can choose if you want to put one lot size, it's gonna be 1, which is like standard lot. It's like 100,000 units. I'm gonna make a video for that if you're also willing to learn about it. And then now we're moving to what? We're moving to 3Ds. I think we're done with this part. As I told you, this is the market. Red and green is the market. When it goes up, it's gonna be green. When it sells, it's gonna be red. That's it. And then we're moving to trade this option, the third option. So currently we're in profit, and the money, as I told you, is gonna be in dollars. Our base currency is USD. So that balance is the money that you deposited. So we deposited how much? $3,000. Equity is the money plus your profit or plus your loss. It will be fluctuating, whether you're losing. Let's say if you lose 1,000, you see it your equity as 2,027 cents. And then if you winning, let's say you win 1,000, it's gonna be 4,025 cents. Just like that. It's the fluctuation of the market and how you have opened up your position. If you're in profit, it's gonna be in profit. If you're in loss, it's gonna be in loss. That is the equity. Margin is the money that you have used to open a position. So actually for these traders, we used $20 for those two traders, for these two traders. And then we have free margin. Free margin is the money that is left in your account to open your positions. So currently we talk $20. The reason you see it like that to $29.79 or $2,979.27, because we talk $20 to open up our position. And then margin level, how we get this amount, we take our margin here, $20, the one that we open up our trade with, and then we divide it by the whole amount of the account, which is $3,000.27 plus our profit here. 27 cents, it's here. It's our profit. Your profit is gonna be, you're gonna see it here, or your loss, you're gonna see it here. So these are your positions that we have opened. So you can choose to close this position by pressing these 3 dots, and then you're gonna, if you want, you're gonna close all of them, or you close all positions, or close profitable positions based on how you prefer it. So let's say we close all. You won't see them here. Let's close. You see, they are closed. Let's go back and open trade again. Sell. So you go back to traders to see your position. You go to this option, traders. So you can change you can modify this position. You can close them in a different ways. You are able to close it on the chart here by clicking and holding. You see this option, and then you close. It closed. See this option? It closed. Just like that. You can sell again, or go to quotes and click and hold new order, and then you sell, just like that, based on where you wanna sell the market. You understand? And then, so we are in profit anyway. If it shows blue, we're in profit. If it shows red, we are losing. Then, to modify or to close a position in other option, you swipe left on your position. You click the first one, it closed. You swipe left, you wanna modify, you press that pencil. You change take profit by pressing plus. If you're moving up, moving down, negative, just like that. If you want to put stop loss, you put stop loss, just like that. And then let me give you an example. Results. Let me give you an example. We want to put our stop loss in. Our take profit, since we're selling, put our stop loss, our take profit, and then we put our stop loss, our stop loss, and then you modify. That's how you change, and then it's gonna close when it reaches those targets. You can see it here. You can also modify it like this by playing with them like this, and then you modify. See, stop loss and take profit, and then you go back to trade, and then you swipe left. If you want to open another position, you can press this plus button to give you this option again for stop loss, as I've told you, and then take profit, as I've told you. These are your lot size. Instant execution, you're gonna choose. It's the same thing. Don't confuse yourself. And then you sell. You accept. Swipe left. If you want to view the chart or the market, you press this small graph here. It's gonna go back here, and we're selling, and it's coming to our favor, as you can see. And then to go back to trades, you swipe left. Last option, this one. If you wanna use orders, you wanna sell or buy when the market reach here, you just click this red arrow, and then if you wanna buy when the market reach this place, just press any blue arrow that you prefer on the price or exchange rate, so we can sell or use these options to sell, just like that. That was the last option. And then you can also open positions on this point. This one that looks like a leech, you can press it. If you wanna sell, you sell. There are so many ways to sell or buy. You can press it again. If you wanna change currencies, you press here, and then you change to the ones that you have chosen, just like that. So you can do that. You play along. There are so many options to buy or sell, order for your execution, order for your entries. Now we're going to fourth options, history. So history gonna show you the trades that you open up, and then the trades that you closed, what was happening since you deposited your money. As you can see, we deposited 3,000, open up positions, these positions, and they're moving, and the balance, profit, you're gonna see a profit, it's 24 there, deposit 3,000, charges, swaps, commissions, and you'll see it there, balance, you see all the balance there. So if you wanna change, you wanna see the dates, maybe for the other day when you were trading, how you were trading, you're gonna change date from that corner, and then you choose, let's say last week, it's gonna show you last week, last 3 months, gonna show you last 3 months based on when you have opened up your account. Today it's gonna show you today, just like that. You can change your currencies if you want there. These ones, how you want to view it. If you want to say profit only, you can say profit, close time, open time, volume type, ticket symbol, but it's not that necessary. Others that we have filled today is 18, and then cancelled one, we haven't cancelled anything, total 18. So these are our orders, deals. This is what happened with our trading today. So that's how we use. This is the history. Messages are not necessary. You can only use it when you have community with MetaTrader. Community. You can register it if you want. You can choose to register if you want. Just me, I don't feel like I want to, because I know what I'm doing. It's your choice. Last option that I'm gonna be teaching you about is this 3 lines on your left corner of your phone. Yeah, this is the option we're coming to. So if you wanna link your broker with the MetaTrader 5, you're just gonna press the on top of manager account here, plus option to search your broker. Let's take using XNS is gonna pop up when you search, and then it's gonna be like that, and then you choose, and then you put the login details, and then you put your password, and then you log in, and then it's gonna be linked with your account. You will see your balance when you go back to your account, just like that. You just search, guys, it's easy. Let's say we're using Octa. It's gonna pop up if you have Octa. You see, just like that. That's how we use this thing. Let's go back to those 3 lines, and then trades are the trades that you have opened up, and then news, if there is any event that are happening in those countries that you are trading, gonna pop up here. Mailbox, if there is new upgradation about the MetaTrader, the system gonna send you, if you need to update or upgrade your MetaTrader 5, and then journaling. These are the trades that you have opened up. It's like history, I can say, same as history, all the positions that you have opened up, and then settings. You can choose to. You can play along with these settings. So let me show you the ones that are necessary. If you want you to view market like this, you can place tablet. You see, if you want to view it like this, you can rotate your phone, and then it's gonna be like that. time frames cross there. See. Yeah, if you want to view it like that, it's gonna be like that. It's your choice and your preference. This is a tablet view, and then we rotate the screen, go back. If you want to cancel or settings again, and then tablet interface, and then we change. Go back to the normal how it was, and then if you want to change the theme, you can change the theme. If you want it to be white, it can be white by pressing light theme, and then it's gonna be white. Let's go to Codes. You see, it's white right now. It's white. It's white. It's white. It's white. It's white. It's white. Go back. Economic calendar. Economic calendar is the calendar that they have for you if you want to see maybe there is gonna be an FOMC, Federal Open Market Committee, about the interest rate and all those things if you follow fundamentals. And then there's gonna be NFP, non-farm payroll, or it's gonna be CPI, consumer price index, or PP, producer price index, or those, etc., etc. I understand. Is using this calendar to be up to date about the information of the market, not to be amazed by the reaction from the market. Trade community, when you need a community with the MetaTrader MQ algo, which means algorithm for making robots. When there is robots, if you want to buy my robots, what those kind of things, you can create yours here and communicate with them what you prefer to be using, and they're gonna make it for you, and then they charge you. User guide of the MetaTrader 5 about how and what the app does. This about here. Then let's go back to our theme. Our theme. It was the system for theme, which is yeah. So don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. That's how you use MetaTrader 5. See, we have lost $7 so far, as you can see. So if you want to close this position, you just close it. Close all if you want to close all. So let me show you last about the lot size. Lot size, if you use 0.001, these are a cent, and the demo that we're using, or the broker that we're using, doesn't have nano lot size, which is like 100 units. 0.001. So let's check 0.01. The broker allowed this lot size, which is like 1,000 units. We are able to buy with these. You can buy and accept. So it determines how much you're gonna make. You can put our TP here, our take profit, and then our stop loss. It's gonna take out when it hit there. Modified. See, that's how you use this thing. And then 0. You can choose how much you wanna use. If let's say we're using 0.05 is like 5,000 units, 0.2 2,000 units, 0.3 3,000 units, just like that. Now it's a micro lot size, guys. Now we're moving to mini lot size, which is like 0.10, which is like 10,000 units, 10,000 units, which is like 10,000 units. Let's take with sell, stop loss, TP. It's gonna be here. I'm just giving you an example on how to use these things. I'll make more videos on how to understand how to be always consistent in your trading, if you wish. Now is the last lot size, which is one lot size. One lot size is like 100,000 units. So let's take, if we buy, it will show you. It will show you and determine the money that you're gonna be making. And close like this, as I told you. We've used our one lot size, so we're done with our lessons, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll make more videos deep on forex industry, videos such as how to analyze the market, how to get news, how to understand what is happening in the economies, how to read the price section, and what you are facing right now. If you're willing to learn, I'm available for you guys. Thanks for your time.